Welcome back. Today, we're exploring how to turn a rental apartment into a warm and inviting home. Renting often comes with restrictions, but that doesn't mean you can't make your space feel comfortable, stylish, and uniquely yours, all without making permanent changes. From decor and furniture choices to clever organization and color accents, we'll walk you through practical and renter-friendly ways to transform your apartment into a personalized retreat. Let's get started. One-wall art and decorations. Stylish walls without permanent changes. One of the simplest ways to personalize a rental is through wall decor. Since painting or drilling holes may not be an option, explore renter-friendly solutions like removable wall decals, peel-and-stick wallpaper, and command hooks for framed art. Create a gallery wall using lightweight frames with adhesive hooks, or showcase DIY artwork and meaningful photographs to add personality. If you prefer a minimalist look, consider leaning large frame prints or canvases against the wall for a relaxed yet sophisticated touch. 2. Choosing the right furniture. Versatile and future-proof investments. Selecting furniture for a rental requires a balance between style, function, and adaptability. Opt for versatile pieces that can transition into future homes, such as modular sofas, extendable dining tables, and compact shelving units. Maximize space by incorporating multifunctional furniture like storage ottomans, nesting tables, or wall-mounted desks. These choices help keep your home organized while allowing for flexibility in layout and design. 3. Layering textiles. Adding warmth and comfort effortlessly. Textiles are a powerful way to introduce warmth, texture, and style into your apartment. A plush area rug can define spaces and make a room feel instantly cozier. Curtains and soft, airy fabrics can add elegance while providing privacy. Incorporate throw pillows, blankets, and bedding in varying colors and patterns to reflect your personal style. Layering different textures from soft knits to natural linen adds depth and creates a welcoming atmosphere. 4. Small changes, big impact. Personal touches that elevate your space. It's often the little details that make the biggest difference in a rental. Swap out basic light fixtures for stylish pendant lamps or floor lamps. Just keep the original fittings for when you move out. Bring nature indoors with houseplants. They add vibrancy and improve air quality. If you're new to plant care, opt for low-maintenance varieties like snake plants, pothoes, or succulents. Upgrading cabinet handles, drawer pulls, or doorknobs can also give your kitchen or bathroom a fresh, modern look. 5. Defining spaces in an open layout. Clever zoning with decor. If your apartment has an open floor plan, define areas using decor elements. Rugs are a fantastic way to separate the living room, dining space, and workspace. Bookshelves, decorative screens, or strategically placed furniture pieces help create distinct zones without needing permanent partitions. Open back shelves work well as cell dividers while maintaining an airy, open feel. 6. Infusing color. Adding personality without painting. Since painting walls is often not an option in rentals, introduce color through decor. Choose vibrant throw pillows, rugs, and curtains to bring in bold hues. Portable items like colorful vases, lamps, and decorative trays allow you to experiment with shades without commitment. If you prefer a subtle approach, incorporate pastel accents or metallic finishes to create a refined and elegant space. 7. Upgrading the bathroom. Simple fixes for a luxurious feel. Transforming a basic rental bathroom into a spa-like retreat is easier than you think. Peel-and-stick tiles or wallpaper can refresh dull walls without causing damage. Enhance comfort with a plush bath mat, stylish shower curtain, and soft hand towels. Floating shelves or tiered baskets offer additional storage while keeping toiletries neatly arranged. A touch of greenery, such as a small potted plant, completes the look. 8. Kitchen makeover. Functional and aesthetic enhancements. Rental kitchens can feel generic, but minor upgrades can make a significant impact. Peel-and-stick backsplash tiles instantly add style, while open shelving or a small rolling cart provides additional storage. Display your favorite mugs, cookbooks, or spice jars to bring character to the space. Colorful small appliances, such as kettles or toasters, can add playful pops of color while maintaining functionality. 9. Transforming the entryway. A warm welcome every time. Your entryway sets the tone for the rest of your home. Make it inviting with a stylish console table, a statement mirror, and a decorative rug. If space allows, add a bench or storage ottoman for practicality. Wall-mounted hooks or a compact coat rack keep everyday essentials organized, ensuring a clutter-free and welcoming entrance. 10. Personal mementos. Infusing sentimental value into your home. The key to making a rental feel like home is incorporating elements that hold personal significance. Display framed family photos, travel souvenirs, or cherished gifts to create a space that tells your story. Floating shelves or a dedicated display unit can showcase treasured keepsakes without making permanent modifications. These sentimental touches help establish a deeper connection with your space, making it feel uniquely yours. Bonus tip: let SANGAU help you design your perfect rental home. Creating a personalized and comfortable rental space is all about making smart choices with furniture, decor, and layout. At SANGAU, we understand the challenges of renting and offer expert guidance on designing stylish, renter-friendly homes. Whether you need help selecting adaptable furniture or adding personal flair, SANGAU can assist in making your apartment truly feel like home without any permanent changes. Thanks for watching. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more home styling ideas. See you in the next video.